Hi, this is Robert from Part Fusion Electronics. This weekend I'm at the Rome Maker Faire. This is the 7th edition. I've been able to attend all 7, and I'm showing you what I have on display this weekend. I have my white dress again and my waistcoat. I'm also showing my little red dress and a number of the technique examples showing the conductive threads, LEDs and Adafruit Flora microcontrollers. I have some of my butterfly hat, a light up mask. I've got some jewellery pieces I've shown before. I showed these at Berlin Maker Faire. Got some new pieces too. I've been working on jewellery, making some more electronic jewellery pieces. So I've got some resin 3D printed pieces that have been refined, and then I use those to make silicon molds. And then these are the main new pieces here on display, so different, using 2mm by 2mm NeoPixel compatible LEDs in different arrangements. So this is a ring on flexible PCB from Ashpark, and some other types here as well, different shapes. This one isn't. The rings have some resin that helps to give it some structure. Same with this piece here. This one is just loose. I've got these other types of resin earring type pieces where the LEDs are mounted on the flexible PCB and shining into the resin. So it's a bit bubbly, but actually that gives it quite a good effect. And then I have some LED cubes. Here you can see the printed circuit board and one of the cubes in a resin, and there's without the resin. So I've also made these little 9x9 panels, and by putting those together I get this 3x3x3 mini cube. It's going through a couple of different patterns. So these are just being powered off the Arduino controllers back here. This is a little dice effect. And then this is kind of like, I'm going to try and do a Rubik's Cube type of a effect as well. So they're the main new pieces this weekend. I also have a number of my giant LED. I've made a fully clear LED, so the legs are also with clear resin. And then RGB and white LEDs. This is one of my old ones on display. So this is, as I said, this is my 7th year presenting at many of my projects at Rome Maker Faire. It's really nice. We're in a very echoey, massive aircraft hangar. I think there's probably close to 500 different makers. Probably over 100,000 visitors over the 3 days, so they have an educational day. This is the first main public day, and then a Sunday. They have 7 of these hangars in use this weekend. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.